There's going to be no school tomorrow. I can feel it. What?
Copy in my mouth.
You're disgusting. Alright. So what do you want to do today? Kevin's gone. Let's turn on the light. Okay. Now, wait, what are you doing? Whoops. Let's talk about some things. Hello? AJ. AJ. Are you gonna talk to me or what?
Moment of silence, butt wipe.
Alright, fine. We're gonna have our moment of silence. What happened to our moment of silence?
Shut up, butt wipe.
Butt wipe. Wow. Hey, AJ, hey, AJ, hey, AJ, hey, AJ, hey, hey.
What?
Hi.
Leave me alone.
AJ, hey, here.
What?
Quit being mean to me. Hey, AJ.
Shut up.
Fine. I'm gonna look at the snow. I think the turtle's frozen again. Oh well, we'll just leave him. If we're going outside, then I need to change my clothes, which I'm not doing because I'm recording. I know I'm not going to. So, what else do you want to do? Do you want to play some video games?
I don't like video games.
Why? Why? They're video games. They're fun. So AJ, what do you want to do? Okay, fine, I'll leave you alone. Oh, actually, never mind.
Leave me alone, dude.
Hey, AJ, hey, AJ.
Shut up.